This is our smallest GSM intercom. It's actually meant to be fitted outside also, even though I wouldn't recommend that you have rain pouring down directly on it, because you have the speaker and the microphone right here. It looks like there's a camera built in, but it's just a dummy. It's for another series. The main function is that you can press this button and it will call up to 3 different persons. It will do it in that number 1, 2 and 3. If you've got an answering machine on one of these numbers, it will actually cancel the call of the next number. But let's do the basic test. I will press this button, it will blink shortly, and if I'm lucky, it should call me on this phone. So it does. Of course we have a disadvantage now, because there will be a disturbance because we are just next to it. But I will have to press the hatch button to make the door open. Oh, and that works. I'll just end the call. Good, that's the basic function. If I hadn't taken the phone, I will just call the next number in the row. And I've just used this app because if we imagine this is a company and I have a number of persons who is normally picking up the phone depending on when they are in the office, I would just say that I have a button called Me. Of course I would take the phone. I have a girl name here, Malene. If I press that, I can do that right now. There will be sent a specific SMS with a PIN code and the range of numbers. You can't see that because that's hidden behind the button. But what it does is it will just call her first and then the switchboard afterwards. And I of course also got the SMS in the button to say what number is now being encoded in the machine. So if I press the button and if she is there, she would hopefully pick up the phone, and let's see if she can also unlock the door.
Hello.
Good morning, Malene. Would you be so kind to press the hatch button, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Right. We can now see the output is now activated. And if I wanted to set me in charge again, I will just press Me. If I'm going home for the day, I will just press the button I've called Switchboard. It could also be a direct link to an answering machine to tell that you are outside the normal office hours. And that's it. Simple device. It has a built-in antenna and it's got a power supply. That's all what you have in the box. If you have a signal which is weak, I would recommend to use the model called 8006. It's a different model, but you've got the possibility of adding an extra antenna. And you also have got a guest list, but that's not relevant for this project. That's it.